Hi, I'm Johan.
Welcome to the open house.
Thank you so much.
Here's my card.
Oh, thank you, sir. Oh, is that really you?
You know, it's from a while back.
Back when?
You know what, maybe I should get it updated.
I'm really frustrated right now. My computer is out of warranty and I feel like I need to get a new one.
Aren't you a base member?
I am.
They offer free computer repair.
Well, I had no idea.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna go there right now.
You should definitely get that fixed.
In addition to these two great Bay East benefits, your membership provides you with many other tools and services, such as mobile MLS apps including HomeSnap, HomeSpotter, and RPR. Also, a member assistance program that provides confidential assistance and counseling. And don't forget about CAR's free legal hotline. Visit bayeast.org for a full list of benefits you can take advantage of.